The Wi-Fi came back. Huh? So what are the defumations in 24 hours? What are the defumations? Tooth. I didn't go for meds. I went for a fuck, right? 4 a.m. in the morning. Who? Which I don't know, right? Chicken. फिर उसके बाद हाँ. So last night after 12, Wi-Fi was shut and I jerked off. And who filmed from the Edinburghs and how it's posted? I don't do fucking recharge. I don't fucking do any recharge. From 12 a.m. Now Wi-Fi came. That's why how I uploaded. So who was watching my dick? The redhead. Oh my shit. Oh shit. That's what was happening when I went out. A redhead with the pimp shouted hard. So she was watching my dick. But Wi-Fi was not there. Wi-Fi was shut. Wi-Fi just came now. So look, honey potting didn't work on me, honey. My brother, it would have worked on my brother. Brother was doing walks. So it didn't work on me and it will never work. It's been 3 years. What do you call it? You are not even the nail of the girls from Bombay, the redhead. You're not even that nail. You have no clue. The girl which said that शादी कर रहा है ला रहा है ना उसको देखेंगे तो मुद्देगे समझा जो भड़क गई थी शादी करके ला रहा है वो बोली ना सिर्फ उसको भी देखा ना बहुत हो गया समझे गर्ल फ्रॉम बॉम्बे हु इन्फॉर्म्ड मी उसको भी देख लिया ना बहुत हो गया तुम्हारे लिए समझे तो यू आर नॉट इवन द nail foot nail the pinky one the last one you are not even the nail of that girl so some sluts want content streets affair and all those stuff written huh? And I put on that Amit Baji thing. So Wi-Fi was shut. Who was watching? How that hut बोलने वाला है ना वो जो the pimp. He should ask his girl how long she watched my dick, watching me jerk off last night, and did she zoom in later? Lights were off. She was so desperate. She wanted to watch it in night vision. And Wi-Fi was shut. She arranges an extra Wi-Fi for me to watch my dick. She arranged an extra Wi-Fi to watch my dick. I don't do fucking recharge after knowing this scam thing. To watch my dick. I use my mother's phone to call anyone who I want to call. So she was watching my dick. And she had, what do you call it? She got an extra Wi-Fi. She's paying somewhere extra just to watch my dick, just to watch me jerk off. And in the morning she says hot, as if she didn't see it. That means she saw it. You are not even the nail of the chicks who I've been with. Also, last night I filmed the Amit Bali thing. So this is a secular country, I suppose. So everyone can be anyone's friend. So Amit Bali was friend with me from 2018. So people over here who stole the data and who want to claim that data, they want to say no, वो तो उनके रीजन का है. तो उनके रीजन का है तो उधर ही रहो ना. इधर काय के लिए दोस्ती यारी नहीं करने का फिर. समझे? So Amit Bali is not like that. Amit Bali is a very good guy. He is not racist. But जो है, समझा ये क्या है? What race thing is? So for 12 to only 30 to 14, 15 hours, the Wi-Fi was shut and the defamation reached the height until their, what do you call it? Their rage pops out from their, not their, what do you call it? Their fake winnership pops out from their mouth. Hut! And until I give this detail, that she arranged an extra Wi-Fi near my house to watch me jerk off from Edinburgh. समझे? She arranged that. See, I dropped in the creation time, and when did I upload it? After coming the Wi-Fi. So there is secular thing. Mr. Bali is a very wonderful chap. He is not a racist, but the one who said that वो तो हमारे region का है ऐसा है वैसा, and he is my friend from Pune. While I was I was also with a chick over there. So he met us, and he is what? He's a good chap, cool chap. He was working in Fairportal Topol, I said. Fairportal, and I made the annual day function for them. And I also met his colleagues and co-workers. So you know what? For the redhead, मेरे को हट बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं. Go out there, सब हट कर रहे. हट. You are paying that extra Wi-Fi to watch my dick. You paid for that phone to watch my dick, to buy a clone phone. मैं हट नहीं बोलूँगा यार. Why do? But कम भी नहीं बोलूँगा. Be where you are, let me be where I am. समझे? आज मेरे भाई को कुछ इशारे विचारे किया था कि वो 2-3 दिन बहुत राउंड मार रहा था. ओप्पो फ़ोन. समझे? चालू है क्या? उधर भी कुछ कर दिया है क्या? हम पे काम नहीं चले गए. उस पर चल गया रहे तो क्या मालूम अभी. And you want to know my age? I'm what do you call it? I'm at the age of Brad Pitt's Fight Club. I'm at the age of having the fun of my life, and I am having it. And today I found a very wonderful note on a T-shirt. I thank that guy in red T-shirt. I don't thank that guy. What do you call it? It was an inspiration for me, not inspiration. It reminded me my goal. Think big, get bigger. I want to tell that guy, thank you for whatever you did, the inspiration thing. You are a wonderful person with a wonderful message, and this is a message. The stuff which I have to give you is, I always thought big. That's why I am giving the copyrights to the entire country, so there should be no riots. And one personal thing is, this won't happen to me wherever I go. Some redheads are buying Wi-Fi's to watch my dick and extra phones and planting Edinburghs. So this is happening wherever I go. So that's the matter. And for past 3 years I cannot see anyone because of this scam accusation. So I don't know who is who. But to catch those criminals, शैलेजार का एग्जाम्पल है ना. What the real thing is, scammers want to humiliate you. Now they are humiliated by those are the trans hookers. इतना बड़ा humiliation है उनका. उनको सब लोग वही नज़र से देख रहे हैं. और उन लोग के फेक बैंक अकाउंट से उनके बैंक में पैसा गया है खर्चा दिखाने के लिए. Those are prostitutes. They are under the biggest humiliation of their life. Why anyone will pay them? समझे? They are on the biggest humiliation of their life. They want to, what do you call it? such these redheads people. So they want to put you down. They want to show you a bad guy. They want to humiliate you in public. Who is getting? Who is getting now? Fake bank account. You are hiding that fake bank account thing now. You are hiding. Public gets it. You gets it very nicely. And police also gets you in that, the men from the fake bank account. Police gets you in that female costume now. समझे? So Red Head was writing on 14th Road, Gandhi Maidan, and she was writing on the content affair when the synopsis is short. Huh? And honey, it was a toothache. God did this swelling. No one else did. Watch the med guy. Wonderful chap he is. He gave me a good direction. I was like, have an antibiotic as well. Day and night medical fellow. Yeah. I didn't fuck you early in the morning. Okay? It might be that pimp who said hard. Oh yeah. So वो जो पिम्प के लिए नकली बॉल और वो सब वीक वो सब पुलिस तैयार कर रही है उसका फेक बैंक अकाउंट में उसका नाम है तो so Wi-Fi was shut. You can get the details when I filmed the evidences and all this stuff. अरे ये चोर है इन्होंने क्या किया है देखो डाटा वायरल है तो हर कोई फ़ायदा उठाएगा हर किसी को डिफेम करने का हर किसी को ये करने का कॉपीराइट सबके पास है तो अभी एक दूसरे जो वापरेगा वो उसके पीछे करेंगे मेरा क्या है कॉपीराइट सबके पास है जाओ वहाँ छुदाओ सुने जाओ करो वहाँ छुदाओ I'll see what has to be done by the court, police, and enemies. What enemies? What I have to do to them now after the copyright thing? Court itself will try to take a decision that the boy has given a copyright to entire country. Now the boy is safe, but those guys are not. Yeah. Watch your back. Watch your 6 and 6s from the street, which you make money from. So, करता है क्या ऐसा कोई किसी विक्टिम ने किया था ऐसा कभी तुम्हारे साथ So son, Wi-Fi was shut, right? She got an extra Wi-Fi just to watch me jerk off, isn't it? And an extra phone and hidden bug. बहुत खर्चा किया मेरे लौड़े के लिए उसमें मैं नहीं बोलूँगा यार हट silent hut is going on silent. How slow Apna passing by? Some pimp shouted with that. I was just passing by. Wi-Fi was shut and she was watching my dick. So I dropped in the evidence of the Amit Bali. He's an old friend of mine. I met all his colleagues as well. I worked for him. I did a job for him, that annual day of his thing. I was quite busy. Otherwise, I would have been an anchor in that show. What do you call it? Sometimes I do live performance as well. So I would have been a part of that thing, or I would have sang a song for them. So he's a good chap and he's not that racist. Cool people. My girl is also a cool people, one of the coolest, eh? From Dubai. He met her. Mr. Bali met her. So, do I have to say you fucked yourself? Or still they are finding you to fuck you? They are finding you. Fake bank account, prostitutes. Red ID is also there in the fake bank account, actually. And the look, I didn't ask for this. You gave it up and you opened your own thing. That you were watching me last night. है ना टकला. I'll be going. टकला है ना. It's my brother. I'll be going after the copyright thing. I mean, I stay on my word and I make a move. It's up to you. So, I got a life. I got a life. 3 years you thought you'll fuck me and you had no clue you're getting fucked for prostitution. All this time. You get it? Court, everyone. Even artists are asking, you made such contract that I should spend only in prostitutes? और जो मर्द है उस फेक बैंक अकाउंट के, उनके औरतें ऑलरेडी हंस रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. तुम्हारे सामने नहीं हंसेगी, टेंशन मत लो.